would like some ice cream? Fluff would like some ice cream in a cone. Let's choose a cone for her. Wow, so many flavors! Sugary goodness! Some extra nom-noms. Would you look at that? Snap a picture. Woo! Fluff is the happiest fox in town. Who would like some ice cream? Puff is sweating and needs a chili delight. First, choose a bowl. Ice cream? Yum! What about some sauce on top? Puff will love this. Add some treats. Looks delish. Let's take a photo. Did you like it, Puff? Yay! Who would like some ice cream? Crisp needs an iced lolly. Can you make one for her? Put some fruit into a mold. Choose a flavor. Strawberry. Put it in the juicer. And turn it on. Choose a stick for her lolly. Let's put it in the freezer. Now wait until it's super icy. Ooh! Can you remove the mold? That's a lovely lolly. Snippity snap. Looks like she loved it. Thank you. Who would like some ice cream? Mama Squish and her baby need a chili dessert. Let's put some chocolate ice cream in the blender. Some milk, please. Press that button. forget the extra straw. That looks very refreshing. Snap a picture. Mom and her baby loved it. Thank you. Who would like some ice cream? Decorate your truck and dress Bunny up. It's cold. Nice color. Nice color. Who would like some ice cream? Would you look at that? Who would like some ice cream? Decorate your truck and dress Bunny up. Cool! Aw. So beautiful! Who would like some ice cream? Decorate your truck and dress Bunny up. Who would like some ice cream? Puff is sweating and needs a chili. First, choose a bowl. Ice cream? Yum! Looks delish. Let's take a photo. Did you like it, Puff? Yay! Who would like some ice cream?